Oracle Database is an object-relational database management system produced and marketed by Oracle Corporation. Larry Ellison and two friends and former co-workers, Bob Miner and Ed Oates, started a consultancy called Software Development Laboratories in 1977. SDL developed the original version of the Oracle software. The name Oracle comes from the code name of a CIA-funded project Ellison had worked on while previously employed by Ampex. Physical and logical structures. An Oracle database system identified by an alphanumeric system identifier or CIDR comprises at least one instance of the application, along with data storage. An instance identified persistently by an instantiation number comprises a set of operating system processes and memory structures that interact with the storage and SMON. Oracle documentation can refer to an active database instance as a shared memory realm. Users of Oracle databases refer to the server-side memory structure as the SGA. The SGA typically holds cache information such as data buffers, SQL commands, and user information. In addition to storage, the database consists of online redo logs, which hold transactional history. Processes can in turn archive the online redo logs into archive logs, which provide the basis for data recovery and for the physical standby forms of data replication using Oracle Data Guard. If the Oracle Database Administrator has implemented Oracle RAC, then multiple instances, usually on different servers, attached to a central storage array. This scenario offers advantages such as better performance, scalability and redundancy. However, support becomes more complex, and many sites do not use RAC. In version 10G, grid computing introduced shared resources where an instance can use CPU resources from another node in the grid. The Oracle RDBMS can store and execute stored procedures and functions within itself. PLSQL, or the object-oriented language Java, can invoke such code objects and/or provide the programming structures for writing them. Storage. The Oracle RDBMS stores data logically in the form of table spaces and physically in the form of data files. Table spaces can contain various types of memory segments, such as data segments, index segments, etc. Segments in turn comprise one or more extents. Extents comprise groups of contiguous data blocks. Data blocks form the basic units of data storage. A DBA can impose maximum quotas on storage per user within each table space. Partitioning. Newer versions of the database can also include a partitioning feature. This allows the partitioning of tables based on different set of keys. Specific partitions can then be easily added or dropped to help manage large data sets. Monitoring. Oracle Database Management tracks its computer data storage with the help of information stored in the system tablespace. The system tablespace contains the data dictionary, and often indexes and clusters. A data dictionary consists of a special collection of tables that contains information about all user objects in the database. Since version 8i, the Oracle RDBMS also supports locally managed table spaces that store space management information in bitmaps in their own headers rather than in the system tablespace. Version 10G and later introduced the CISO tablespace, which contains some of the tables formerly stored in the system tablespace, along with objects for other tools such as OEM, which previously required its own tablespace. Disk files. Disk files primarily represent one of the following structures: data and index files. These files provide the physical storage of data, which can consist of the data dictionary data, user data, or index data. These files can be managed manually or managed by Oracle itself. Note that a data file has to belong to exactly one tablespace, whereas a tablespace can consist of multiple data files. Redo log files, consisting of all changes to the database, used to recover from an instance failure. Note that often a database will store these files multiple times, for extra security in case of disk failure. The identical redo log files are said to belong to the same group. Undo files. These special data files, which can only contain undo information, aid in recovery, rollbacks, and read consistency. Archive log files. These files, Copies of the redo log files are usually stored at different locations. They are necessary when applying changes to a standby database, or when performing recovery after a media failure. It is possible to archive to multiple locations. Tempiles. These special data files serve exclusively for temporary storage data, control file, necessary for database startup. A binary file that records the physical structure of a database and contains the names and locations of redo log files, the timestamp of the database creation, the current log sequence number, checkpoint information, and so on. At the physical level, data files comprise one or more data blocks, where the block size can vary between data files. Data files can occupy pre-allocated space in the file system of a computer server, utilize raw disk directly, or exist within ASM logical volumes. Database schema. Most Oracle database installations traditionally came with a default schema called Scott. After the installation process sets up sample tables, the user can log into the database with the username Scott and the password Tiger. The name of the Scott schema originated with Bruce Scott, one of the first employees at Oracle, who had a cat named Tiger. Oracle Corporation now de-emphasizes the Scott schema, as it uses few features of more recent Oracle releases. Most recent examples supplied by Oracle Corporation reference the default HR or OE schemas. Other default schemas include SYS, System, OUTLN, BI, 9, HR, OE, PM, and SH. System Global Area. Each Oracle instance uses a System Global Area or SCORE a shared memory or I to store its data and control information. Each Oracle instance allocates itself an SGA when it starts and allocates it at shutdown time. The information in the SGA consists of the following elements, each of which has a fixed size, established at instance startup: data files. Every Oracle database has one or more physical data files, which contain all the database data. The data of logical database structures, such as tables and indexes, is physically stored in the data files allocated for a database. Data files have the following characteristics: one or more data files form a logical unit of database storage called a table space. A data file can be associated with only one table space. Data files can be defined to extend automatically when they are full. Data in a data file is read, as needed, during normal database operation and stored in the memory cache of Oracle database. For example, if a user wants to access some data in a table of a database, and if the requested information is not already in the memory cache for the database, then it is read from the appropriate data files and stored in memory. Modified or new data is not necessarily written to a data file immediately. To reduce the amount of disk access and to increase performance, data is pooled in memory and written to the appropriate data files all at once. The redo log buffer. This stores redo entries a log of changes made to the database. The instance writes redo log buffers to the redo log as quickly and efficiently as possible. The redo log aids in instance recovery in the event of a system failure. The shared pool. This area of the SGA stores shared memory structures such as shared SQL areas in the library cache and internal information in the data dictionary. An insufficient amount of memory allocated to the shared pool can cause performance degradation. The large pool optional area that provides large memory allocations for certain large processes, such as Oracle backup and recovery operations, and I/O server processes. Database buffer cache. Caches blocks of data retrieved from the database. Key buffer pool, a specialized type of database buffer cache that is tuned to retain blocks of data in memory for long periods of time. Recycle buffer pool, a specialized type of database buffer cache that is tuned to recycle or remove block from memory quickly. NK buffer cache, one of several specialized database buffer caches designed to hold block sizes different from the default database block size. Java pool, used for all session-specific Java code and data in the Java virtual machine. Streams pool, used by Oracle Streams to store information required by Capture and Appley. When you start the instance by using Enterprise Manager or SQL+, the amount of memory allocated for the SGA is displayed. Library cache, The library cache stores shared SQL, caching the parse tree and the execution plan for every unique SQL statement. If multiple applications issue the same SQL statement, each application can access the shared SQL area. This reduces the amount of memory needed and reduces the processing time used for parsing and execution planning. Data dictionary cache. The data dictionary comprises a set of tables and views that map the structure of the database. Oracle databases store information here about the logical and physical structure of the database. The data dictionary contains information such as user information, such as user privileges, integrity constraints defined for tables in the database, names and data types of all columns in database tables, information on space allocated and used for schema objects. The Oracle instance frequently accesses the data dictionary to parse SQL statements. Oracle operation depends on ready access to the data dictionary. Performance bottlenecks in the data dictionary affect all Oracle users. Because of this, database administrators must make sure that the data dictionary cache has sufficient capacity to cache this data. Without enough memory for the data dictionary cache, users see a severe performance degradation. Allocating sufficient memory to the shared pool where the data dictionary cache resides precludes these particular performance problem. Program Global Area. The Program Global Area or PGA memory area of an Oracle instance contains data and control information for Oracle server processes. The size and content of the PGA depends on the Oracle server options installed. This area consists of the following components: stack space, the memory that holds the session's variables, arrays, and so on; session information, unless using the multi-threaded server, the instance stores its session information in the PGA. In a multi-threaded server, the session information goes in the SGA. Private SQL area, an area that holds information such as bind variables and runtime buffers; sorting area, an area in the PGA that holds information on sorts, hash joins, etc. DBAs can monitor PGA usage via the $system T-system view. Dynamic performance views. The dynamic performance views within an Oracle database present information from virtual tables built on the basis of database memory. Database users can access the views to obtain information on database structures and performance. Process architectures. Oracle processes. The Oracle RDBMS typically relies on a group of processes running simultaneously in the background and interacting to monitor and expedite database operations. Typical operating environments might include, temporarily or permanently, some of the following individual processes: advanced queuing processes, archiver processes, checkpoint process required, coordinator of job queues process, dynamically spawns slave processes for job queues, database writer processes required, dispatcher processes, multiplex server processes on behalf of users, main data guard broker monitor process, job queue slave processes, log writer process required, log write network server, transmits redo logs in data guard environments, logical standby coordinator process, controls data guard log application, media recovery process, detached recovery server process, memory manager process, used for internal database tasks such as automatic shared memory management, memory monitor process, process for automatic problem detection, self-tuning and statistics gathering, memory monitor light process, gathers and stores automatic workload repository data, MON slaves, background slaves of the MMON process, process monitor process required, process spawner, spawns Oracle processes, queue monitor coordinator process, dynamically spawns queue monitor slaves, queue monitor processes, recoverer process, remote file server process, in Oracle Data Guard, a standby recipient of primary redo logs, shared server processes, serve client requests, system monitor process required, user processes, connections and sessions. Oracle database terminology distinguishes different computer science terms in describing how end users interact with the database. User processes involve the invocation of application software. A connection refers to the pathway linking a user process to an Oracle instance. Sessions consist of specific connections to an Oracle instance. Each session within an instance has a session identifier or SID. Concurrency and locking. Oracle databases control simultaneous access to data resources with locks. The databases also utilize latches low-level serialization mechanisms to protect shared data structures in the system global area. Configuration. Database administrators control many of the tunable variations in an Oracle instance by means of values in a parameter file. This file in its ASCII default form normally has a name of the format in its SID name ORA. The default binary equivalent server parameter file defaults to the format SPFILE SID name ORA. Within an SQL-based environment, the views $$ parameter and $$ parameter give access to reading parameter values. Administration, the scheduler, and the Job subsystem permit the automation of predictable processing. Oracle Resource Manager aims to allocate CPU resources between users and groups of users when such resources become scarce. Oracle Corporation stated in product announcements that manageability for DBAs had improved from Oracle 9i to 10G. Lungu and Varflorentue assessed the relative manageability by performing common DBA tasks and measuring timings. They performed their tests on a single Pentium CPU with 512 MB RAM, running Windows Server 2000. From Oracle 9i to 10G, installation improved 36%, day-to-day administration 63%, backup and recovery 63%, and performance diagnostics and tuning 74%, for a weighted total improvement of 56%. The researchers concluded that Oracle 10G represents a giant step forward from Oracle 9i in making the database easier to use and manage. Network access. Oracle Net Services allow client or remote applications to access Oracle databases via network sessions using various protocols. Internationalization. Oracle database software comes in 63 language versions. Variations between versions cover the names of days and months, abbreviations, time symbols, and sorting. Oracle Corporation has translated Oracle database error messages into Arabic, Catalan, Chinese, Czech, Danish, Dutch, English, Finnish, French, German, Greek, Hebrew, Hungarian, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Norwegian, Polish, Portuguese, Romanian, Russian, Slovak, Spanish, Swedish, Thai and Turkish. Oracle Corporation provides database developers with tools and mechanisms for producing internationalized database applications, referred to internally as globalization. History, Corporate Technical Timeline, 1977, Larry Ellison and friends founded Software Development Laboratories, 1978, Oracle version 1, written in assembly language, runs on PDP-11 under RSX, in 128K of memory. Implementation separates Oracle code and user code. Oracle v1 is never officially released. 1979, SDL changed its company name to Relational Software, Incorporated, and introduced its product Oracle v2 as an early relational database system, often cited as the first commercially sold RDBMS. The version did not support transactions, but implemented the basic SQL functionality of queries and joins. 1982, RSI in its turn changed its name, becoming known as Oracle Corporation, to align itself more closely with its flagship product. 1983, the company released Oracle version 3, which it had rewritten using the C programming language, and which supported commit and rollback functionality for transactions. Version 3 extended platform support from the existing DigitalBax VMS systems to include Unix environments. 1984, Oracle Corporation released Oracle version 4, which supported read consistency. In October it also released the first Oracle for the IBM PC. 1985, Oracle Corporation released Oracle version 5, which supported the client server model a sign of networks becoming more widely available in the mid-1980s. 1986, Oracle version 5.1 started supporting distributed queries. 1988, Oracle RDBMS version 6 came out with support for PLSQL embedded within Oracle Forms v3, row-level locking and hot backups. 1989, Oracle Corporation entered the application products market and developed its ERP product based on the Oracle Relational Database. 1990, the release of Oracle Applications Release 8, 1992, Oracle version 7 appeared with support for referential integrity, stored procedures and triggers. 1997, Oracle Corporation released version 8, which supported object-oriented development and multimedia applications. 1999, the release of Oracle 8i aimed to provide a database interoperating better with the Internet. The Oracle 8i database incorporated a native Java virtual machine. 2000, Oracle E-Business Suite 11i pioneers integrated enterprise application software. 2001, Oracle 9i went into release with 400 new features, including the ability to read and write XML documents. 9i also provided an option for Oracle RAC, or Real Application Clusters, a computer cluster database, as a replacement for the Oracle Parallel Server option. 2002, the release of Oracle 9i Database Release 2, 2003, Oracle Corporation released Oracle Database 10G, which supported regular expressions. 2005, Oracle Database 10.2.0.1 also known as Oracle Database 10G Release 2 appeared. 2006, Oracle Corporation announces Unbreakable Linux and acquires iFlex. 2007, Oracle Database 10G Release 2 sets a new world record TPCH 3000 GB benchmark result. 2007, Oracle Corporation released Oracle Database 11G for Linux and for Microsoft Windows. 2008, Oracle Corporation acquires BEA Systems. 2010, Oracle Corporation acquires Sun Microsystems. 2011, Oracle Corporation acquires Web Content Management System FatWire Software. 2011, on October 18, Oracle Corporation acquires Enka Technologies Incorporated faceted search engine software vendor. 2013, Oracle Corporation released Oracle Database 12c for Linux, Solaris and Windows. Patch updates and security alerts. Oracle Corporation releases critical patch updates or security patch updates and security alerts to close security holes that could be used for data theft. Critical patch updates and security alerts come out quarterly on the Tuesday closest to 17th day of the month. Customers may receive release notification by email. White paper, critical patch update implementation best practices, version numbering. Oracle products follow a custom release numbering and naming convention. With the Oracle RDBMS 10G release, Oracle Corporation began using the 10G label in all versions of its major products, although some sources refer to Oracle Applications Release 11i as Oracle 11i. The suffixes I, G, and C do not actually represent a low-order part of the version number, as letters typically represent in software industry version numbering. That is, there is no predecessor version of Oracle 10G called Oracle 10F. Instead, the letters stand for Internet, Grid, and Cloud, respectively. Consequently, many simply drop the G, or I suffix when referring to specific versions of an Oracle product. Major database-related products and some of their versions include Oracle Application Server 10G, a middleware product. Oracle Applications Release 11i, a suite of business applications. Oracle Developer Suite 10G. Oracle Developer 10G, a Java integrated development environment. Since version 2, Oracle's RDBMS release numbering has used the following codes: Oracle v2 a 2.3, Oracle v3 a 3.1.3, Oracle v4 a 4.1.4.0-4.1.4.4, Oracle v5 a 5.0.22, 5.1.17, 5.1.22, Oracle v6 a 6.0.17-6.0.36, 6.0.37, Oracle 7, 7.0.12 Euro. 7.3.4, Oracle 8 Database, 8.0.3 Euro 8.0.6, Oracle 8i Database Release 1, 8.1.5.0 Euro 8.1.5.1, Oracle 8i Database Release 2, 8.1.6.0 Euro 8.1.6.3, Oracle 8i Database Release 3, 8.1.7.0 Euro 8.1.7.4, Oracle 9i Database Release 1, 9.0.1.0a. Euro 9.0.1.5, Oracle 9i Database Release 2, 9.2.0.1 Euro 9.2.0.8, Oracle Database 10G Release 1, 10.1.0.2 Euro 10.1.0.5, Oracle Database 10G Release 2, 10.2.0.1 Euro 10.2.0.5, Oracle Database 11G Release 1, 11.1.0.6 Euro 11.1.0.7, Oracle Database 11G Release 2, 11.2.0.1 Euro 11.2.0.4, Oracle Database 12C Release 1, 12.1, Oracle Database 12C Release 1, 12.1.0.1.2. The version numbering syntax within each release follows the pattern: major maintenance application server component specific platform specific. For example, 10.2.0.1 for 64-bit Solaris means 10th major version of Oracle, maintenance level 2, Oracle Application Server 0, level 1 for Solaris 64-bit. The Oracle Database Administrator's Guide offers further information on Oracle release numbers. Marketing editions. Over and above the different versions of the Oracle database management software developed over time, Oracle Corporation subdivides its product into varying editions apparently for marketing and license tracking reasons in approximate order of decreasing scale. Enterprise Edition includes more features than the Standard Edition, especially in the areas of performance and security. Oracle Corporation licenses this product on the basis of users or of processors, typically for servers running 4 or more CPUs. EE has no memory limits, and can utilize clustering using Oracle RAC software. Standard Edition contains base database functionality. Oracle Corporation licenses this product on the basis of users or of processors, typically for servers running from 1 to 4 CPUs. If the number of CPUs exceeds 4 CPUs, the user must convert to an enterprise license. SE has no memory limits, and can utilize clustering with Oracle RAC at no additional charge. Standard Edition 1, introduced with Oracle 10G, has some additional feature restrictions. Oracle Corporation markets it for use on systems with 1 or 2 CPUs. It has no memory limitations. Express Edition, the first Express Edition, introduced in 2005, offered Oracle 10G free to distribute on Windows and Linux platforms. It had a footprint of only 150 megabytes, had a limitation to a maximum of 4 gigabytes of user data and could use only a single CPU. Although it could install on a server with any amount of memory, it used a maximum of 1 gigabyte. Support for this version came exclusively through online forums and not through Oracle support. Oracle 11G Express Edition, released by Oracle Corporation on September 24, 2011, can support 11 GB of user data. Oracle XE does not support loading Java code into the database. Oracle Database Lite, intended for running on mobile devices. The embedded mobile database located on the mobile device can synchronize with a server-based installation. Includes support for Win32, Windows CE, Palm OS, and ePOC database clients, integration with Oracle's advanced queuing mechanism, and data and application synchronization software. Supports 100% Java development. Host platforms. Prior to releasing Oracle 9i in 2001, Oracle Corporation ported its database product to a wide variety of platforms. Subsequently, Oracle Corporation consolidated on a smaller range of operating system platforms. As of November 2011, Oracle Corporation supported the following operating systems and hardware platforms for Oracle Database 11G, Z Linux 64, Microsoft Windows, Linux x86, Linux x86-64, Solaris, HPUX Itanium, HPUX ParRisk, AIX, OpenVMS. In 2011, Oracle Corporation announced the availability of Oracle Database Appliance, a pre-built, pre-tuned, highly available clustered database server built using Doosan Fire x86 servers and direct attached storage. Some Oracle Enterprise Edition databases running on certain Oracle-supplied hardware can utilize hybrid columnar compression for more efficient storage. Related software, Oracle products. Oracle Database Firewall analyzes database traffic on a network to prevent threats such as SQL injection. Database options. Oracle Corporation refers to some extensions to the core functionality of the Oracle database as database options. As of 2013, such options include Active Data Guard, Advanced Compression, Advanced Security, Content Database, Data Mining, Database Vault, In-Memory Database Cache, Label Security, Management Packs. For example, Oracle Database Change Management Pack. Oracle Answers, Oracle Application Express, a no-cost environment for database-oriented software development. Oracle Golden Gate 11G, Oracle Multitenant, a container database holding pluggable databases. Oracle OLAP, Oracle Programmer, Oracle Real Application Stinger Euro including Database Replay and SQL Performance The Analyzer, Oracle Spatial and Graph, as well as World Wide Web Consortium Resource Description Framework Graph Management and Analysis, Oracle Text, Oracle XMLDB, a no-cost component in each edition of the database that provides high-performance technology for storing and retrieving native XML, Oracle Warehouse Builder, Partitioning, Real Application Clusters, Records Database, Transparent Gateway for connecting to non-Oracle systems. Offers optimized solution, with more functionality and better performance than Oracle generic connectivity. Total recall. In most cases, using these options entails extra licensing costs. Suites. In addition to its RDBMS, Oracle Corporation has released several related suites of tools and applications relating to implementations of Oracle databases. For example, Oracle Application Server, a J2EE-based application server, aids in developing and deploying applications that use Internet technologies and a browser. Oracle Collaboration Suite contains messaging, groupware and collaboration applications. Oracle Developer Suite contains software development tools, including Developer. Oracle eBusiness Suite collects together applications for enterprise resource planning, customer relationship management and human resources management. Oracle Enterprise Manager used by database administrators to manage the DBMS, and recently in version 10G, a web-based rewrite of OEM called Oracle Enterprise Manager Database Control. Oracle Corporation has dubbed the Super Enterprise Manager used to manage a grid of multiple DBMS and application servers Oracle Enterprise Manager Grid Control. Oracle Programmer /2000, a bundling of interfaces for 3 gallons programming languages, marketed with Oracle 7 and Oracle 8. Oracle Web Center Suite, database features. Apart from the clearly defined database options, Oracle databases may include many semi-autonomous software subsystems, which Oracle Corporation sometimes refers to as features in a sense subtly different from the normal usage of the word. For example, Oracle Data Guard counts officially as a feature, but the command stack within SQL+, though a usability feature, does not appear in the list of features in Oracle's list. Such features may include active session history, the collection of data for immediate monitoring of very recent database activity. Automatic Workload Repository, providing monitoring services to Oracle database installations from Oracle version 10. Prior to the release of Oracle version 10, the Stats Pack facility provided similar functionality. Clusterware, data aggregation and consolidation, Data Guard for high availability, generic connectivity for connecting to non-Oracle systems. Data Pump Utilities, which aid in importing and exporting data and metadata between databases, SQL Loader, utility that facilitates high-performance data loading. Database Resource Manager, which controls the use of computing resources. Fast Start Parallel Rollback, fine-grained auditing supplements standard security auditing features, flashback for selective data recovery and reconstruction, ISQL+, a web browser-based graphical user interface for Oracle database data manipulation, Oracle Data Access Components, tools that consist of Oracle Data Provider for .NET, Oracle Developer Tools for Visual Studio, Oracle Providers for ASP.NET, Oracle Database Extensions for .NET, Oracle Provider for LADB, Oracle Objects for OL, Oracle Services for Microsoft Transaction Server. Oracle Managed Files, a feature allowing automated naming, creation and deletion of data files at the operating system level. Oracle Multimedia for storing and integrating multimedia data within a database, Oracle Spatial and Graph, Recovery Manager for database backup, restoration and recovery, SQL+, a program that allows users to interact with Oracle Database, via SQL and PLSQL commands on a command line. Compare ISQL+. Universal Connection Pool, a connection pool based on Java and supporting JDBC, LDAP, and JCA, Virtual Private Database, an implementation of fine-grained access control. Tools, users can develop their own applications in Java and PLSQL using tools such as Oracle Forms, Oracle Developer, Oracle Reports. As of 2007, Oracle Corporation had started a drive toward wizard-driven environments with a view to enabling non-programmers to produce simple data-driven applications. The Database Upgrade Assistant provides a GUI for the upgrading of an Oracle database. Jaccelerator, a native compilation Java accelerator, integrates hardware-optimized Java code into an Oracle 10G database. Oracle SQL Developer, a free graphical tool for database development, allows developers to browse database objects, run SQL statements and SQL scripts, and edit and debug PLSQL statements. It incorporates standard and customized reporting. Oracle's OPatch provides patch management for Oracle databases. The SQL TXPLAIN tool provides tuning assistance for Oracle SQL queries. Other databases marketed by Oracle Corporation. By acquiring other technology in the database field, Oracle Corporation can also offer x10, a memory-resident database that can cache transactions and synchronize data with a centralized Oracle database server. It functions as a real-time infrastructure software product intended for the management of low-latency, high-volume data, of events and of transactions. Berkeley DB, a simple, high-performance, embedded database, Oracle RDB, a legacy relational database for the OpenVMS operating system, MySQL, a relational database purchased as part of Oracle Corporation's takeover of its immediate previous owner, Sun Microsystems, Oracle NoSQL database, a scalable, distributed key-value NoSQL database, use. The Oracle RDBMS has had a reputation among novice users as difficult to install on Linux systems. Oracle Corporation has packaged recent versions for several popular Linux distributions in an attempt to minimize installation challenges beyond the level of technical expertise required to install a database server. Official support. Users who have Oracle support contracts can use Oracle's My Oracle Support, or MOS website, known as MetaLink, until a rebranding exercise completed in October 2010. The support site provides users of Oracle Corporation products with a repository of reported problems, diagnostic scripts and solutions. It also integrates with the provision of support tools, patches and upgrades. The Remote Diagnostic Agent, or RDA, can operate as a command-line diagnostic tool executing a script. The data captured provides an overview of the Oracle database environment intended for diagnostic and troubleshooting. Within RDA, the HCVE can verify and isolate host system environmental issues that may affect the performance of Oracle software. Database-related guidelines. Oracle Corporation also endorses certain practices and conventions as enhancing the use of its database products. These include Oracle Maximum Availability Architecture Guidelines on developing high-availability systems, Optimal Flexible Architecture, Blueprints for mapping Oracle database objects to file systems, Oracle Certification Program. The Oracle Certification Program, a professional certification program, includes the administration of Oracle databases as one of its main certification paths. It contains 3 levels: Oracle Certified Associate, Oracle Certified Professional, Oracle Certified Master. User groups. A variety of official and unofficial Oracle user groups has grown up of users and developers of Oracle databases. They include geographical regional user groups, independent Oracle users group, industry-centric user groups, Oracle Technology Network, Oracle Health Sciences user group, product-centric user groups, the Oaktable Network, Usenet news groups, market position, competition. In the market for relational databases, Oracle Database competes against commercial products such as IBM's DB2 UDB and Microsoft SQL Server. Oracle and IBM tend to battle for the mid-range database market on Unix and Linux platforms, while Microsoft dominates the mid-range database market on Microsoft Windows platforms. However, since they share many of the same customers, Oracle and IBM tend to support each other's products in many middleware and application categories, and IBM's hardware divisions work closely with Oracle on performance-optimizing server technologies. The two companies have a relationship perhaps best described as competition. Niche commercial competitors include Teradata, Software AG's Adibas, Sybase, and IBM's Informix, among many others. In 2007, competition with SAP AG occasioned litigation from Oracle Corporation. Increasingly, the Oracle database products compete against such open-source software relational database systems as PostgreSQL, Firebird, and MySQL. Oracle acquired Innobase, supplier of the INNODB code based on MySQL, in part to compete better against open-source alternatives, and acquired Sun Microsystems, owner of MySQL, in 2010. Database products licensed as open source are, by the legal terms of the open source definition, free to distribute and free of royalty or other licensing fees. Pricing: Oracle Corporation offers term licensing for all Oracle products. It bases the list price for a term license on a specific percentage of the perpetual license price. Prospective purchasers can obtain licenses based either on the number of processors in their target machines or on the number of potential seats. Enterprise Edition: as of July 2010, the database that costs the most per machine processor among Oracle database editions, at $47,500 per processor. The term per processor for Enterprise Edition is defined with respect to physical cores and a processor core multiplier. For example, an 8-processor, 32-core server using Intel Xeon 5620 CPUs would require 16 processor licenses. Standard Edition: cheaper, it can run on up to 4 processors but has fewer features than Enterprise Edition. It lacks proper parallelization, etc. But remains quite suitable for running medium-sized applications. There are not additional cost for Oracle RAC on the latest Oracle 11GR2 Standard Edition release. Standard 1 sells even more cheaply, but remains limited to 2 CPUs. Standard Edition 1 sells on a per-seat basis with a 5-user minimum. Oracle Corporation usually sells the licenses with an extra 22% cost for support and upgrades, which customers must renew annually. Oracle Express Edition, an addition to the Oracle database product family, offers a free version of the Oracle RDBMS, but one limited to 11 GB of user data and to 1 GB of memory used by database. XE will use no more than 1 CPU and lacks an internal JVM. XE runs only on 32-bit Windows and 64-bit Linux, but not on AIX, Solaris, HP-UX and the other operating systems available for other editions. Support is via a free Oracle discussion forum only. As computers running Oracle often have many multi-core processors, the software price can rise into the hundreds of thousands of dollars. The total cost of ownership often exceeds this, as large Oracle installations usually require experienced and trained database administrators to do the setup properly. Furthermore, further components must be licensed and paid for instance the enterprise options used with the databases. Many licensing pitfalls let even rise the costs of ownership. Because of the product's large installed base and available training courses, Oracle specialists in some areas have become a more abundant resource than those for more exotic databases. Oracle frequently provides special training offers for database administrators. On Linux, Oracle's certified configurations include Oracle's own Oracle Linux and other commercial Linux distributions, which can cost in a range from a few hundred to a few thousand USD per year. The Oracle database system can also install and run on freely available Linux distributions such as the Red Hat-based CentOS, or Debian-based systems. See also: Comparison of relational database management systems, comparison of object-relational database management systems, database management system, list of ERP software packages, list of relational database management systems, Oracle RDB for OpenVMS, Runbook automation, references. Bibliography. External links, overview provided by Oracle Corporation. Oracle Licensing Knowledge Net.